My screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we are just about to explore this hard surface modeling. So what we are going to do, kind of lantern, which we are going to study first, then create. So go to this view, image plan, import image. Okay, you have to keep. I will share this image, or you can download from internet and find out the location. There are in number. Okay, let's go for this. Just for reference, when we are doing specific, we have to check the eye level also, since it's below eye level. So many times, front and side, when we are creating some this car kind of thing, we maintain front and side, but this is just to refer, just for reference. And lock this inside a layer. So now you are no more able to select it accidentally or whatever. So though it's not much difficult things, basic shapes or form are there. So you have to just try to understand, to create first abstract kind of thing. That rawness of this or unfinished thing, that is the part of texture. Once we are doing that, then will come. For today, we are just going for the basic model of this thing. Okay, and this is all based on your visualization, right? You have to visualize, unlock it, select, keep on comfortable level, then again. So it's all about, like, cylindrical things. If you basical form, if you say, it's all cylindrical. So we have to take a polygon, this one, cylinder, and we are visualizing. We are not matching. We just visualize, eyeballing to create this one. Check that divisions over here. So we'll go a bit less. So we are 16. I'm focusing on this one, the topmost part. Okay, this circular one. To just look at this image and visualize. Try to visualize. Is what kind of formation it is there. Hope you know this basic tool, operation of basic tools. And just add some loops. Um, 3 is more than enough. So hope you know that extrusion, how to extrude edges, extrude faces. We'll go for that. Select face. Select this one. Shift select. So after 2, then once you click 3, so it's all together select this one. Right? Then I go for extrude. Scale it up. Scale it down from here. Move it down here. So if you look at this, what kind of formation it is there. Even in Photoshop and any photo editing tool, you just bring this photo and try to draw a lines, try to visualize what would be the flow. So same you have can look at here. Now just go here, select the faces. Have a look whether you accidentally selected somewhere. So if it is not, then delete it. You don't want this one. Then simply it is coming and then one edge and then coming down. So it's just like a steps. Here you have to go here and select edge, double click. So you get this, select this ring, then extrude, scale slightly, bring it down. Press G key. So this is repeating the last key. You have to just visualize the proportion. We are not measuring or matching every point to point. We are just visualizing. Then again press G to repeat the command. Scale it down, lower it down. G again, G again, scale it up. In G, this repeating command. Go back to object mode and bring it up. Take a call to reduce. Visually, you have to calculate everything. You can play with the faces. You can click it. Here for soft modification. Impact a percentage on entire this mesh. If it is high, take here, maybe 0.5. So only that much, slightly increase. And uncheck. You can keep here where if constantly if you want to work with this. Then go for edge. Very few tools. And we are creating like this. Then go back to object mode. bit is done. Sometime you can use the mesh from within this one. So do one thing. Select this one, faces, and go here, mesh or extract. So now this is the separate. Control D, scale it down, and go to modify and center pivot. Find out where exactly it is. So it is here. Slightly, it should be smaller than this outer area. Vertices, edge, then again go for extrusion, slightly big, object mode, so either you can directly go like this or piece by piece. While working two pieces, you can select this one, then Control H, so that independent you can work, or otherwise you go different layer for that. Control Shift H, you can bring it back. So there's an option for combine. You can combine also. So it become one piece again. Same way, press 3 or 1 to check this one. Okay. So you can add color from here, whatever color you want, or it is greenish, rusty greenish. So you can add this one. if I bring back this image, so let's come for this part. Second, about this, select this all and go for another layer. Just hold down. Control A, let me see what material it is. Okay, great. So you have to try to understand the formation. It's not exactly circular, right? So this kind of thing, what could be the way? You have to take the nearest form. What is this? Now you have to go for the curve. You can keep this cubic one. Here go to front. Okay, let's put front. Right. Select this one. Go to face. And shift select this one. Extrude. So it's extruded, but if need division, you have to add divisions. So once you add division, it gets the shape, and few things are there. In channel box, you can, if it is taper, so you can create this kind of formation. Okay, so taper in channel rated itself, channel box, or twist, you can use twist. This way you can create that handle kind of with the path. then scale it up or whatever. So whenever you do this kind of modeling, few things, once you're done with this, select this one, you have to freeze the location, this to go to modify, freeze transformation. So look at this channel boxes. If I go for freeze transformation, it's become 0, means it's become the first position. Okay. And at the same time, you have to go to modify and center pivot. Once done everything, edit, delete by type, history. It must be selected. Once it is done, right, you can modify or whatever. So first online student, any question? Okay. So
No, sir.
try to depend on your visualization more and just try to see this the formation. Let's say if this in really it is available to you, if you draw a line, what kind of that line goes on this. Okay, then you can make it, scale it down, scale it up, so and so. Okay. In chat box, mark your attendance, and I hope the first half attendance you got it. Online student. Though it's it automatically gets.